employee number, employee name and location. So this is your source data. 101 Ram is in Bangalore. Okay, is in Bangalore currently. So it will load into the target table. Can you go and mute, guys? Someone, please. Employee name, employee number, employee name, current location or original location, and current location. So and effective date. Okay, so in this SCD type 3, able to hear you, right? Are you guys able to hear me, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in this SCD type 3, while they implementing the SCD type 3, is going to change the structure of the source table. They are going to change the structure, but here in this one there is no structure change here for existing columns. Okay. So you can see what are the 4 columns are there. There are 4 columns are there. These extra columns they added here, but here they are going to change the structure. The structure is going to modify here. Here the location is going to split to the original location and current location. Okay, location is a structure is going to change, original location and current location and effective date. Okay, so currently I am in the 101 Ram Bangalore. So I am going to give 101. So it will load as a like this, Ram Bangalore, and current location also Bangalore. Effective date maybe 01/01/2020, like that I am going to give in the, from 2020 I am staying in the Bangalore, like that it will come the picture. Okay, maybe I am going to change to Bangalore to Hyderabad or some place Hyderabad. What happened, guys, in this situation? It will come the
Current
101
location.
Ram Bangalore location. Original is Bangalore location. Now current location will be Hyderabad or ABAD Hyderabad. Okay, from the maybe 2021. Okay, from 2021 I am staying in Hyderabad. My original location will be Bangalore. Means here will be permanent location and residence address like this. Your always your permanent will be whatever your birthplace is your permanent place. That is, it won't be changed. But your residential address keep on changing. Maybe currently you are staying in the Tirupati, or now you change to Hyderabad, now you change to Hyderabad, Bangalore or Chennai. Wherever you go, your permanent address it won't be changed. Your residential address is keep on changing, right? The same functionality it will come here. Maybe now again is going to Chennai. You move to Chennai. What happened, guys? Here 101 Ram, original location will be Bangalore. Now is staying Chennai on from 2021-22. Example I am going to 22. Okay, so 2022 Chennai currently is a Chennai. His original will be place will be Bangalore, but we don't know, we can't track before Chennai where he lived. That information we are not able to track here. Means we are going to maintain the only partial history. We are going to maintain only partial history. Okay, we are going to maintain the only partial history. Or one more scenario also there. One more scenario also it may be handled. SCD 3. Here they are going to maintain the original information and current information. Means permanent address and current residential address. Or sometimes they are going to maintain the previous current information and previous information, like that. Current location and previous location. For example, so in this situation, so it will come the Chennai here. Here it will come, previously it will be staying in the Hyderabad. Okay, Currently he is staying in Chennai. His previous location Hyderabad. So he is presently staying in Chennai from 2022. He is living in the Chennai. But we don't know before the Hyderabad where he stayed. We don't know that information. We are not tracking. Means SCD type 3 means is going to store the original information and then corresponding previous information. Original information and current information is going to maintain the history. Partial history we are going to maintain in the SCD type 3. Okay, we are not maintaining any full history in the SCD type 3. Clear, guys? That is the reason. What is the difference between SCD type 2 and SCD type 3? Now tell me, guys, what is the difference between the SCD type 2 and type 3?
Means historical data, type 2. In type 3, there is no history.
No. The type 2, we are going to maintain the full history. From last 10 years, whatever the records happen, the changes, everything for last 10 years or 20 years or 30 years, whatever the record you are maintaining, history you are going to maintaining, all the records you are going to maintain in the SCD type 2. Full history we are going to maintain. For SCD type 3, we are not maintaining the full history. We are maintaining only partial history, the original information and then current information based on the effective date. Okay, based on the effective date, what is the original information, what is the current information, this information only we are going to maintain in the SCD type 3. We are not maintaining the full history here. Okay, we are not maintaining the full history, we are maintaining only partial history here in SCD type 3. We are maintaining the only partial history. Clear, guys? Any doubt here? SCD type 3. That's why. So even my experience, I never worked on the SCD type 3. So I don't know when and which situation when they are going to use the SCD type 3. But we have to know what is SCD type 3 for interview point of view purpose. But these two will be mandatory. We are going to use the SCD type 1 and type 2 for every project, every company, every project. They are going to implement the SCDs type 1 and type 2. So this they are going to handle in the only dimension tables. This is applicable for only dimension tables, not for fact tables. Okay, that's why the naming convention itself SCD, slowly changing dimension. Okay, so SCDs are implementing for dimension tables, not fact tables. Okay, so SCD type 1, SCD type 2 and SCD type 3. Type 1 we are not maintaining any history. Type 2 we are maintaining the full history. Type 3 we are maintaining the partial history based on the effective date. Okay, clear, guys? 3 types: SCD 1, SCD 2, SCD 3. Any doubts? Please ask me, guys. Okay, so I am going to explain the one more thing here. SCD type 2. In the real time, how it will be there, I am going to explain here. For example, location is there. One more column, location is there. Here, only here the SCD type 2 they are going to, for example, implemented only for here SCD type 2 implemented SCD type 2 implemented on the salary column. Okay, SCD type 2 implemented only on the salary column means the remaining all will act as a SCD 1 only. So they can't implement even real time, they can't implement the for SCD type 2 in the entire table. Okay, if here 100 columns are there, they can't implement 100 columns in the SCD type 2. Either it could be 1 or 2 columns only, they are going to maintain the SCD type 2. For that only it will take the huge amount of data. in the real time. Okay, maybe 1 or 2 columns or 3 columns, depends upon the requirement. They're going to maintain the SCD type 2. Clear, guys?